We are going to test a rock with a proto-diagonal test setup. This test is called proto-diagonal test because proto-diagonal senior have discovered this process in giving honor to this particular scientist. We call it proto-diagonal. The beauty of this test is, for this test we do not require rigorous sample preparation. And the principle of this test lies on applying impact load to the sample. Applying impact load to the sample. By applying impact load to the sample, sample will become powder. So we will weight the powder and accordingly we will determine the index. Now let's start. What are the system we will follow to do this test? In this test, we will take a cylinder. The cylinder diameter, inner diameter is 76 mm, and the height of this column of this cylinder from which weight impact hammer will be fall is 600 mm. And the hammer we are using, it is 2.5 kg weight, and the diameter of this hammer is 73 mm. Now, how much amount of sample we will take? The standard specs us that 20 cc sample should be taken per test. Total 100 cc. Yes, 100 cc. For today's test, we are going to take sandstone with a specific gravity of 2.5. So it is around 50 gram. So 50 gram sample will be taken, and total sample will be taken 250 gram. So 250 gram test sample will be tested 5 times, and total amount of powder produced by impacting the hammer will be sieved with 500 microgram sieve. Now the question is, how many number of blows we will apply on the sample? Standard says that 5 to 15 number of blows you can apply. 5 is for the weak rock and 15 is for strong rock. We categorize sandstone as a weak rock, so we will apply 5 number of blows. So after applying 5 number of blows, total 200 gram of samples will be sieved in the sieve apparatus. Then the amount will be put on a volumeter. Volumeter, we have the inside diameter of the volumeter is 23 mm. Inside diameter of the volumeter is 23 mm. So after all the test is done, we will put the sample here, the dust sample, after sieving the sample here, and there is one column is there. So column will be inserted. How much amount of column is inserted? There is a marker. So we will make this marker amount. This is H in mm. The sample after putting in volumeter will be measure this H mm height. How much height? This column is outside from the lid. So after doing this, we will determine the proto-diagonal index F is equal to 20 n divided by H. So 20 is a constant, n is the number of blows, and H is the height. So this is the proto-diagonal index. After determining the proto-diagonal index, we generally use UCS around 100 F kg per centimeters square. So this is all about the theoretical explanation of the proto-diagonal test. I hope we will do the test, then we will better understand. Thank you. So this is the 500 microgram sieve with which we will sieve the dust material after testing. This is the volumeter with which we will put the sample here and we will measure how much amount of this lead is outside. There is a marker. So we will measure if sample will take this much amount of height, we will mark this height. So this height is basically the H.
বলতে 50 গ্রাম 50 গ্রাম
50 gram sample we are taking today for this test of sandstone. করঙ্গা বিরজু তোমার পুরো নাম কি গো? বিরজু গোপ, DIRJU তো?
হ্যাঁ
গোপ, GOP।
জিওপি
দাদা আপনার? Number of samples with each 550 gram of weight has been taken. The original sample was like this. This is the test setup of the protodiaconum. This is the cylinder, and we have the hammer of 2.4 kilo. This is the base on which the sample will be kept, and above that we will put the cylinder.
নিচে রাখো না হ্যাঁ
And then
in the weight
we will put the weight. একটু পরে। So the standard fashion is like this. So we will unpin the pin, then the flap into this. This is the process we will follow for the sample. So we are putting first set of sample in the bottom of the column. Now we are setting up the instrument in the ideal position. Then we clean it. Then we put the hammer load here. Then we will unpin it. So 5 number of times will be applied. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number of impact has been applied. Now we will collect all the sample and we will deposit the sample on the sheet. So you can see the fragmented and dusty sample. So we will repeat this operation for 5 number of times. So by this process we will determine the height of the sample using the sample we collected from this sieve apparatus. So we will apply and we will do the sieve for 1 minute. This is the amount of of the sample coming after sieving the sample under 500 microgram of the sieve. Now we will put this sample into the volumeter. So we will slowly insert the pipe. Now we will measure the length. $14.79.
हो गया
Close.